to double click with Logitech G502 and G Pro wireless mouse. Hi everybody, in order to enable using a wireless mouse using G HUB, you could configure a macro that stimulates a double clicking by assigning it. So in order to do it, what you have to do is first of all launch the Logitech G HUB software and select your mouse. Then you want to navigate to Assessment tab or sections within the G HUB interface. After which you've done it, you want to click on Create New Macro button and choose the sequence type as well. Then on the next field, what you have to do is save the macro, then assign it to a desired button on your mouse. Save the macro and then assign it to a desired button on your mouse. So now then what you have to do is you simply want to go ahead and adjust the polling rate. In G HUB, try adjusting the polling rate or report rate to a lower or higher value to see if it resolves the issue or not. The next thing you also want to do is debouncing time. You could adjust you could also adjust the debouncing, which is the delay the mouse user, to filter out suppressed button. Press on it. Experiment with the different settings to find out the optimal balance for your mouse. So this is how you could double click with the Logitech G HUB and G Pro wireless mouse. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.